lie, that's just how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we run the beat. Tears so dark you can see the seats. So let's walk Cutlass.
Yo, man, what's up with y'all, man? You know who it is, it's your boy 84 Cuddy, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. Hey, before we get started, everybody on your feet. Y'all know how we gotta do it. Yes, sir. Hand over your heart. Yes, sir. Let's get it. I pledge allegiance to the flag that the Carolinas is the best state in America. Yes, sir. Hey, 843, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, man. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Yo, man. Hey, I hope everybody doing good today, man. Yes, sir, man. And man, y'all know I gotta bring y'all a little laughter, man. Ain't nothing that serious out here, man. Plus, you working on project calls and stuff like that, man. Hey, you gotta have some laughter while you're doing it, man. It ain't that serious. It ain't that serious, man. You gotta have something to laugh at, man. Then plus, man, it's Men's Mental Health Month, man. So you know what I mean? Hey, man, who don't want no laughter? Man, hey, I would want laughter. That what y'all come on YouTube for? I mean, that's what I would think. But man, I hope everybody doing good today, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to the supporters out there. Shout out to the members out there. Yes, sir, man. Hey, pat yourself on the back, man. I said pat yourself on the back and I start clapping. Hey, y'all know what it is. Hey, man, but we back out here on Sparrow, man. We in the garage, man. Y'all hear it. Y'all hear the fan. Y'all see it. All that right there, man. Let me show y'all what I done got done. It may not look like a lot now, but it is a lot. Let me show y'all. Watch this. Now, what you looking at may not look like a lot to you. But it's a lot to me. Let me show y'all. Alright. So y'all remember we left off over here on the dang on passenger side trying to snatch that wire out. I had pulling that wire up. Yes, sir. Hey. There you go. There you go. There you go. The G-Body factory harness out of here. Yes, sir. All that out of here. And then as you can see now, man, hold up, y'all. I got the phone on the tripod. Hold up, bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. But as y'all can see, man, it's already looking a little clean over here, man. Like I said, I'm sorry for the light, man. We in the garage. But yeah, man, y'all can already see it's kind of looking clean over here already. Yes, sir. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember that that gold card pack now? I'm about to show y'all something. Let me go back on the other side. Cause see, y'all probably ain't even realized the card pack been missing. The first time I went over there, y'all probably ain't even realize it. Let me show y'all. Ooh, that joker wet in it. Yes, sir. Put them back over there. Just like that right there. And yeah, man. I tell y'all, man, we about to clean up this engine bay, man. So I need to then gonna clean it up before I put these wires on. Yes, sir. So that's what we about to do. Hey, y'all, stay locked. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And make sure y'all turn on our post notification bell, man. We about to get to work. Let's get it. Boom, shaka laka laka. Yes, sir. I tell y'all, boy, hey, we working now. Hey, engine bay clean up for Sparrow. Y'all see it. I done changed. I done flipped the color on y'all just that quick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, what y'all think? Drop down in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about that color swap, man. Look at that fly. Hey, let me see what, hey, that burgundy. Man, I'm on the tripod, y'all. Y'all know I'm in the garage. Or that orange. That gold orange. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me take y'all off the tripod, man. Alright, y'all. We off the tripod. Now what y'all think? What y'all think? Or should I kept that color? I know it's dark over here, but y'all know the color. That color. Should I kept it? Should I cut the valve covers that color? Or should I keep this color right here? What y'all think? That burgundy with the black. Y'all see Sparrow, man. Sparrow burgundy. I know it ain't the same color, but hey, this a 1984 color. I just sprayed that just now in 2025. So don't play with me. Y'all get it. Let's get it. Like, hey, Tulu, what Unc say? On my mama, stop playing with me. Yes, sir. Let's get to it. Hey, JG. Metal Lock Custom. Hey, where I put my application in at, let me know. Y'all see it. Hey, but I tell you one thing, JG. I ain't about to push this car out and let it hit a cure for, what you say, 2 hours, 3 hours, and push it back in, and then do the same thing and then push it back out. No, sir. No, sir. I ain't got time for that. Hey, I'm gonna tell you one thing. See, y'all on professional levels. But when I clock in over there, all y'all got to do is teach me the right way. I do it the right way. I do it the right way. When I clock in, when I'm on the clock, that means we on business time, I do it the right way. But for now, hey, let's get it. Know how you say? Lego. Hey, Lego. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all see it, man. I up the garage door. That joker wet. Yes, sir. And I done loosened some of these wires too. Y'all see that got doggone cord pack missing. Yeah, boy. Y'all see how I look over here, and I can show y'all, man. I got the door up a little, you know what I mean? As soon as I up the door, the flies come running in. Like they was invited. But yeah, man. Y'all see we got over here getting and looking like something over here, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's my AC wires right there. Yeah, man, we about to tuck all this, man. I wouldn't say tuck it, but we gonna figure out something. We gonna figure out something to make it look clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey. Boy, that joker look good, man. That joker look good, but hey, check this out right here. Hey. What y'all think about that color flock right there, what y'all think about that right there? That's the new color, compared to this old color. It is this one right here, the passenger side, look like that, cause that Freon had busted on me, boy. And that's how it look. The Freon bust out that doggone air compressor on me, man. I over tightened the screw. Yes, sir. But y'all see it. Yes, sir. Mr. Rust-Oleum. Yes, sir. Hey, let's get back to work, though. Yes, sir. We got that old one right there. Look at that new one. Look at that new one right there. What y'all think? Hey, and make them look the same. Lego. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got that first coat. Yes, sir. I'ma let them flash off like, hey, but I'm talking like I'm a painter. Hey, JG. Hey, metal. Hey, I'ma let them flash off, you know what I mean? And I'ma come back with another coat. Yes, sir. But hey, check this out right here. Is you following me? Is you following me? Is you following me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, boy, I tell you. Hey, we out here working. We working now. Hey, we getting somewhere. Hey, it don't look like it. It look like it's still a whole bunch of stuff under here in it. Yeah, it do. But guess what? Y'all see some different stuff. Y'all see the progress. Y'all see the progress. Let me get my lamp back there. Look, let me get my light back there. Let me get my light back there. Tell me which one y'all like now. Y'all like that one right there? Oh, y'all like this one? Boy, that joker wet too, boy. That joker look yellow. Yes, sir, boy. Cute, red. Matter of fact, hold up. It's only by right I do it like this right here. I gotta end the video like this right here. Hey, stay locked. Hey, y'all ready? Hey, like I said, man, hey, y'all see we out here working, man. Hey, y'all get outside, man, so we can get these projects riding, man. Get on the road, man, however you got to do it. One step at a time, dog. Maybe one day at a time, you know what I mean? Hey, y'all see it. So, I gotta end it like this right here. Only by right, boy. This how I feel right here. Yes, sir, man. Hey, y'all see it, man. That joker so wet, boy. I had to goddamn go put on my JG swag. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all see it. Y'all see it. You are not out working. Hey, boy, that joker, they clean, innit? Yes, sir. Hey, before y'all go, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells. Yes, sir. Cause guess what, man? The JG Innovation Garage from the beach, capital of the state, baby. Hey, see what I'm on for before you try to show off anybody else. Put God first, water your grass. Peace, love, and chicken grease. We going.
That's just how I feel when I take a ride. Backward blowing as we run the beat. Tears so dark you can see the seats. So let's swap colors.